In 60 seconds, I'll show you how to delete contacts from your Google account on desktop and mobile. First, open contacts.google.com and sign into the Google account you want to edit. To delete one contact on desktop, click the contact, open the three-dot menu, and choose Delete. Confirm the deletion when prompted. This permanently removes the contact from your account. To remove multiple entries, check the boxes next to each name, then click the trash icon. Tip: use Merge and Fix to resolve duplicates before deleting for a cleaner address book. On mobile, open the Google Contacts app or visit contacts.google.com in your browser. Tap and hold a contact to select it, then tap Others to multi-select. When ready, tap the trash icon and confirm to delete the selected contacts. For a single contact, open the entry, tap the three-dot menu, and select Delete. Deletions sync across devices instantly, so the contact is removed everywhere. That's it, quick, safe, and synced. Subscribe for more clean tech guides.